Find the sum. What kind of sequence or series is this? Geometric, because why? Because it looks exponential, right? The n is an exponent. So what's our formula for geometric? Sum of a geometric sequence. Close. A1 times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So what do we need to plug into that formula? We need A1, we need R, and we need N. First, how many terms will there be? Starts at 0, ends at 5, 6 terms. Okay. What is the R? See any? 1.08. It's whatever's being raised to the power, right? So that is R equals 1.08. And then how are we going to find the first term? Plug in the lower limit here. Well, 1.08 to the 0 is 1, so the first term is 400. A1 equals 400. So our sum is F6, I guess, is 400 times 1 minus 1.08 to the 6 over 1 minus 1.08. And okay, I would put it in the calculator. And in any way you want. You could just put it in just like that, right? Just type it in, make sure you got parentheses in all the right places. I do kind of like to do this other thing. I like to let me store n equals 6, r is 1.08, and a is 400. And then I'll just type in the formula, and it'll do all the order of operation stuff. And nothing else can go wrong at that point. So to store n equals 6, I'll go 6, store, bottom left, and since that's n, I think n is over here. So alpha n. Oh, that was wrong. It's actually alpha log. There we go. And to store the r, 1.08, store, and now that'll be my alpha multiply. And then the A1, I'll just call that A, 400, store, alpha A. So now the calculator's got all those values inside. I'm just going to type the formula. So that will be alpha A, parentheses, 1 minus alpha R, raised to the alpha n. Get out of the exponent, n parentheses, divide. 1 minus, I didn't get it in there. Thank you. Divide 1 minus parentheses 1 minus alpha r. So now, because the calculator's got all those values, you just do that. 2934.372. Now, the advantage to doing it that way is that if you did it that way, and let's say on another problem, you also had to use that formula, all you would have to do is restore A, R, and N, and then just go second enter until you get your formula back on the screen, and it'll do it again.